Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve question number second. In question number second, it is given that you are given five five parallelograms, and you have to find the value of these unknowns variable. In question number first, you are given a parallelogram ABCD, and one angle is given as 100 degree. So you have to find the other three. In a parallelogram, we know that opposite angles are equal. So the angle opposite to B must be equal to 100 degrees. Again, in a parallelogram, two lines are parallel and one is transversal. So the sum of interior angle must be equal to 180 degree. So the value of x plus 100 must be equal to 180 degree. So the value of x must be 180 minus 100. So x must be 80 degree. So the value of x must be equal to 80 degree. Again, we know that the value of opposite angle must be equal. So the value of z must be equal to 80 degree. In question number second, again you are given a parallelogram. You can name it ABCD, and one of the angle is given as 50. Again, we know that in a parallelogram opposite angle are equal. So if this is of 50 degree, this must be 50 degree. And in a straight line, the sum of all the angles is equal to 180. So the value of z plus 50 must be equal to 180. The value of z must be 180 minus 50. So z must be equal to 130 degree. And in a parallelogram, if two lines are parallel and one is transversal to it, so the sum of interior angle must be also equal to 180 degree. So the value of 50 plus x must be 180. So the value of x must be 180 minus 50. The value of x must be 130 degrees. So the value of x must be 130 degree. Again, we know that the opposite angles are equal. So the value of y must also be equal to 130 degree. Again, question number third, you are given a parallelogram and you have to find the value of x, y, z. Here, this angle is of 90 degree, so this must be equal to 90 degree because these two are vertically opposite angles, and we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So the value of x must be equal to 90 degree. Again, in this triangle, we know that the sum of all three angles must be equal to 180 degree. So the value of x plus the value of y plus 30 must be equal to 180, and we know that the value of y is 90 degree. Solving this equation, we can simply solve this. So 90 plus 30 is 120 degree plus y is equal to 180, and shifting 120 to that side, it is 60 degree. So the value of y must be 60 degree. Again, this side and this side are parallel, and angle this must be equal to angle this because these are alternate angles. We know that if two lines are parallel and one line is transversal to it, so the angle which are these two angles are known alternate angles, and we know that on a parallel lines these two angles are equal. So the value of z also must be equal to 60 degree. In question number 4, again we know that the opposite angles are equal. So the value of y must be equal to 80 degree plus this side and this sides are parallel, and this is a transversal, so the sum of interior angle must be equal to 180 degree. So the value of x plus y must be equals to 180 degree. We know that the value of y is 80 degree. So the value of x must be equals to 100 degree. Again, opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram, so the value of this and the value of this must be equal. And in a straight line, we know that these two angles form linear pair, means the sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree. So the value of 100 plus z must be equals to 180 degree. So the value of z must be equals to 80 degree. Now the last question, question number 5. Again we know that opposite angle in a parallelogram are equal, so the value of y must be equals to 112 degree. In the triangle this, if we name them AB, CD, in triangle ACD, the sum of all the angles must be equal to 180 degree. So the value of y plus x plus the third angle 40 must be equals to 180 degree. We know the value of y is 112 degree. This plus this is 152 degree is equals to 180. The value of x must be equals to 28 degrees. We know the value of x is 28 degrees and the value of x must be equal to a value of z, because these are alternate angles. We can simply solve it as the value of z must be equal to 28 degrees. Thank you.